Hello, Dr. Siddhika.
Yeah, hi Priya. How are you?
I'm fine. Let's talk about VDI2.
Yeah, please.
What is VDI2?
VDI2 is a Beck Depression Inventory. It is an updated version and it assesses the level of depression.
It is an online or offline test?
Fortunately, it is available on both the platforms, online and offline. It is a self-assessed and self-reported assessment. So it is available on both the platforms.
What age range for this assessment?
VDI can be applied on 13 years and above.
Can you explain more about this?
Yes, it's a very effective assessment of depression. It has 63 questions which dwell into 21 items of depression like sadness, pessimism, sense of failure, suicidal ideation or plans, then loss of interest, loss of sexual functioning, loss of appetite and sleep, sense of worthlessness, like all these items it measures.
What is the response style?
The response style is it's from 0 to 3, and so there are 4 answers to each question, and the client checks on the question which applies the best to his situation. This test is applied on every 15 days. So it measures your condition in the last 15 days.
How is the scoring done?
It's very easy scoring. It just sums up the number of responses being checked, and that's it. And then it has the ranges, 4 ranges. 0 to 13 is no depression. 14 to 19 is mild depression. 19 to 28 it is moderate, and 29 and above is severe depression.
Is this score enough to diagnose depression?
No, I would not suggest. This is just an objective scoring, but subjective interpretation through clinical interview on each question being scored as 3 is very important, and without that the scoring is incomplete, because many times the client maybe some personal issue, maybe personal resistance, maybe fear of being exposed, or maybe they are not in mood to do the test. So they just keep on checking. And if a very depressed person, it's very difficult to make him do the assessment. So it is very essential to have a clinical interview on the questions being checked. One more thing, in the suicidal ideation plan, mostly the clients who are serious about doing so will not check on 3. They will just check the first number and say, I have thoughts of killing myself, but I will not carry them out. So at this point, we cannot let that question, that answer just go by. We have to question the client. What makes them think? What are his thoughts? Because sometimes they are serious, and sometimes you want to know what is the reason which is stopping them. So it is very important that you have a clinical interview to understand the perception of the client. Why did he check those responses?
Is this any other benefit of this assessment?
Oh yeah, it's just not a diagnostic tool that diagnoses depression, but it also monitors the therapeutic process, the progress of the therapy being given. As I said, that this test is applied every 15 days. So it really monitors that whether the treatment given to the client is beneficial to him or not, or whether we are progressing in our therapeutic journey or not. So it is very essential, and it really helps the counselor to assess the client.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priya.